In the quiet of a digitally isolated town square, Anya steps into her new life, her face a canvas of determination tinged with apprehension. The dilapidated bistro stands before her, a beacon of change amidst the sleepy town. Old Man Hemlock observes Anya, his eyes filled with suspicion, a silent question hanging in the air. The community kitchen buzzes with life, a symphony of chopping and laughter weaving through the air as Anya's warmth fills the room. Farmers and residents unite, sharing tales and laughter as they work side by side, their hands moving in harmony. Even Old Man Hemlock's face melts into a genuine smile as he aids Anya, serving dishes that embody the essence of belonging. Anya proclaims, "Food isn't just about eating, it's about belonging." The town square bursts with life, a farmer's market thriving under the sun, a vivid tableau in stark contrast to Anya's somber memories. Anya's gaze softens as she absorbs the transformation around her. A taste of transformation, celebrating our community, flutters above. Old Man Hemlock approaches Anya, his voice filled with gratitude. "You didn't just cook food, Anya. You cooked us back to life. This isn't just content, it's a movement. Be part of it. Like, comment, and subscribe to Ultimate Motivation.